What is up, guys? This is Your Life back again with another video. And today, guys, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and Litecoin. I'm going to give you some quick updates here for the next couple of days on those two coins there. So if you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So here we are on coinmarketcap.com. As you can see, Bitcoin doing pretty well right here, trading roughly around 11,500. The same thing goes for Litecoin there, around 212, up 3% for Litecoin, up around 5% for Bitcoin. This is going to be a very important weekend for Bitcoin, as it's going to be dictating the direction of most of the altcoins here for the upcoming week here in March. So let's dive into these coins really quick here. So first of all here, let me go over Bitcoin first, just a second, so we can get a kind of a trajectory where Bitcoin will possibly go, as well as if it does trend towards the downside there, we're definitely going to know the trajectory of the other altcoins as well. So currently right now, as you can see here, we had this resistance level here for quite some time here. It hasn't quite broken above the the 11,700 range there, as you can see from previous history. I'll circle some areas here. So we had areas here in the past that it just couldn't quite break above this resistance line here. As you can see there, it bounced off the 11,700 range there in previous history, and right now we're testing that here pretty soon. Like I said, we have to break above this 11,700 range and definitely test the $12,000 range there for Bitcoin to show signs of a bullish direction there pretty soon. So as you can see here, that's going to be the tipping point there for Bitcoin. And if it does break towards the downside there, keep in mind this will definitely bring all the other altcoins down as well. So when you guys are trading your altcoins or trying to get into positions there, you definitely want to wait and see which direction Bitcoin goes before entering a position in an altcoin, so you guys can limit your risks there for trading. So right now, as you can see here, we have two possible scenarios. People are going to be looking at this thinking, just from a trading pattern standpoint, you're going to be thinking double top. That's going to be your bearish scenario. You're going to see, right here, the resistance level there around 11,700. People are going to be waiting here. If this does not have enough buy volume, as you can see, volume is pretty low here, but that's also an indication of, decreasing volume could lead to a huge spike in volume, thus breaking this 11,800 range there. So keep that in mind there. We're going to be looking for this pattern here, possibly double top there. Another scenario is a cup and handle breakout there for the bullish traders out there. So another possible scenario is, you have your cup here, as you can see, and you're going to see a kind of a fake pullback here, and then it creates the handle formation there, thus having about 3 touches there. Usually 3 touches is a good sign there, and it will usually either break towards the upside or downside depending on the direction of the 3 touches. So that's another possible scenario there for a bullish scenario. For those traders out there, they're going to be looking at this. Okay, they're going to think, oh, there's not enough buy volume here at the 11,800. We're probably going to see a small pullback there as people take profits because they are, either anticipating shorting this from a double top perspective, and then or they're bullish on this and they just want to get a couple more percentage points there from profits, trying to trade the handle there. So that's going to be the two scenarios here for Bitcoin. Definitely see this as a bullish scenario for a cup and handle breakout towards the upside. Definitely have to wait for that 12,000 barrier to break, guys. That's going to be the key resistance level there. It has to break this 11,800 range there because it hasn't done that anytime soon here. We've had that resistance level there for almost a month ago. So that's going to be that key resistance point there, 11,800. Look for this cup and handle formation for the bullish scenario, and then look for the double top scenario for the bearish scenario as well. And that's going to be dictating the price of the altcoins there. So keep that in mind. We're going to take a look at Litecoin, and we're going to look at this from the perspective of that potential breakout. So as you can see here, a lot of people are going to be looking at Litecoin thinking symmetrical triangle breakout here, because as you can see, people are going to be drawing their lines, their trend lines there, and they're going to be watching this thinking symmetrical triangle breakout. So with that in mind, this is going to be just a simple pattern, not trying to get too complicated with Litecoin. As you can see here, it's riding the 50 EMA. This can either break towards the upside, break towards the downside, and like I said, you guys have to wait for confirmation of a breakout. You definitely do not want to just enter this trade here around $200 thinking, oh, it could go up, because it could also go down. So keep that in mind. You're going to have to watch Bitcoin very diligently for the rest of the today and possibly tomorrow, depending on which direction it goes, and definitely trade accordingly. You don't want to enter a position here in Litecoin if Bitcoin does not trend towards the upside there. So just keep that in mind here. Symmetrical triangle, not a complicated pattern here. A lot of people are going to be watching this thinking the same thing. They're just going to be waiting here. You always want to confirm direction for this. It could easily, as you can see, it could easily break towards the upside, easily break towards the downside. That's going to be, you're going to have your two scenarios there, but that's also going to be dictated on Bitcoin, guys. So you always want to watch out for that. That's going to be, a super quick update here on Litecoin. You guys can always, take the, let's see here. Let me see the, yeah, so you can always take the height of the symmetrical triangle, roughly, and that's going to be your estimated breakout projected target there for Litecoin, which also happens to line up with the previous resistance level there. As you can see, around $300 there for Litecoin from this previous spot right here. So also right there, keep that in mind. A lot of people are trading this different styles. People typically just look at sports resistance lines, so people are just going to be looking at the 300 range there as a potential target if it breaks out of the symmetrical triangle. And then you have your minor resistance levels there at the 240 range there to break to. So you're going to have those two targets to watch for Litecoin. If this breaks towards the bullish direction, towards the upwards direction there, two targets, 240, then 300. Keep that in mind there. So before you're entering a position, guys, definitely want to minimize your risk. You don't want to enter any positions blindly, but any plan with your risk to reward ratio there. Definitely keep that in mind. So just keep this as a waiting game. There's no, you're going to be more conservative and definitely make a safer bet entering a position if you know the direction's upward, as well as, those people out there that are shorting Litecoin with the USD, definitely going to be waiting for this to break towards the downside before entering a position there. So keep that in mind there. You could also see a fake false breakout there as well. So you can see a throw over where this breaks towards the upside, not enough buy volume, and then thus pulling this down towards the downside there. Let me change the colors here really quick. So yeah, you could also see this where it's a fake out there, but you definitely need to watch the volume there. If there's not enough volume there, it's definitely going to be a false breakout there, and definitely could trap some people there and losing some profits if they enter this position, roughly where the fake out happens. So keep that in mind there. Symmetrical triangle for Litecoin, but it's going to be dictated on the direction of Bitcoin. Super quick update, guys, on those two coins. And let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you're watching any other coins here that you're trying to, enter with the key indicator that Bitcoin's going into the upward direction. Let me know in the comment section if you have any cheap coins that you're watching at this moment. And that's going to be it, guys, for the video. So if you guys are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.